Question number 12. A part. The ratio of the base radii of two right circular cones of the same height is 3:4. Find the ratio of their volumes. Let radius of cone first is equal to 3 and radius of cone 2 equal to 4. Same height. Height is equal to h. Find the ratio of their volumes. Volume of cone first upon volume of cone second is equal to 1/3 pi r1 square h divided by 1/3 pi r2 square h. Radius of cone 1 is equal to 3 and radius of cone 2 is equal to 4, which implies 1/3 pi 3⁻² into h divided by 1/3 pi 4⁻² into h. This is cancelled and 1/3 pi 1/3 pi is cancelled and we get 3 3s are 9/4 4s are 16, which implies volume of cone 1 upon volume of cone 2 ratio is equal to 9:16. Answer. Solution. B part. The ratio of the heights of two right circular cones is 5:2 and that of their base radii is 2:5. Find the ratio of their volumes. Let h1 is equal to 5 and h2 is equal to 2. R1 is equal to 2 and R2 is equal to 5. Volume of cone first upon volume of cone second, that is equal to 1/3 pi r1 square h1 divided by 1/3 pi r2 square h2. That is 1/3 pi is cancelled and r1 square, that is 2 square into h1 is 5 divided by r2, that is 5 square into h2 is 2, which implies 4 into 5 upon 5 into 2. 2 2s are 4 and 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5 5 5s are 25. So ratio is equal to 2:5. Their ratio equal to 2:5. Solution C part. The height and the radius of the base of a right circular cone is half the corresponding height, and the radius of another bigger cone. Find the ratio of their volumes, the ratio of their lateral surface area. Let height of smaller cone is equal to h1 upon 2, and radius of smaller cone equal to r1 upon 2, half half. So height of bigger cone equal to h1, and radius of bigger cone equal to r1. Volume of smaller cone upon volume of bigger cone, that is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r1 upon 2 square into h1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 3 pi r1 square into h1, which implies 1 upon 3 pi, 1 upon 3 pi is cancelled, and we get r1 square upon 4 into h1 upon 2 divided by r1 square into h1. This is cancelled, and we get 1:8. Answer. And ratio of their lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of smaller cone upon lateral surface area of bigger, that is equal to pi r1 upon 2 into l1 upon 2 divided by pi r1 l1. This is cancelled, pi is cancelled, r1 is cancelled, l1 is cancelled, 1 upon 4, which implies ratio is equal to 1:4. Answer. Let the radius of cone 1 is 3 and radius of cone 2 is equal to 4. Height is same, that is equal to h. So volume of cone is equal to volume of cone 1 upon volume of cone 2 equal to 1 by 3 pi r1 square h 1 by 3 pi r2 square h. 1 by 3 pi 1 by 3 pi is cancel and r1 that is equal to 3 square h is cancel 3 are 9 upon 4 square is 16. So we get ratio is equal to 9:16 answer. And solution of p part h1 is equal to 5, h2 is equal to 2 and ratio of r1 and r2 is 2 and 5. So volume of cone 1 divided by volume of cone 2 equal to 1 by 3 pi r1 square h1 upon 1 by 3 pi r2 square h2. 1 by 3 pi 1 by 3 pi is cancel. r1 is 2 square into h1 is 5 divided by r2 is 5 square into h2 is 2, which implies 2 2s are 4 into 5 upon 5 5s are 25 into 2 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 and 5 1s are 5 5 5s are 25. So we get ratio is equal to 2:5 answer. And C part, let height of smaller cone is half of bigger, that is height of smaller cone is h1 upon 2 and radius of smaller cone is half, that is r1 upon 2. Height of bigger cone is h1 and radius of bigger cone is r1. So volume of the smaller cone upon volume of bigger cone that is equal to 1 by 3 pi r1 upon 2 square into h1 upon 2 and 1 by 3 pi r1 square into h1. h1 is cancel, r1 square is cancel, 1 by 3 pi 1 by 3 pi is also cancel and we get 1 by 2 square that is equal to 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. 4 into 2 that is equal to 1 by 8 and ratio equal to 1:8 answer. And lateral surface area of smaller cone divided by lateral surface area of bigger cone, that is pi r1 upon 2 into l1 upon 2 and lateral surface area of bigger cone is pi r1 l1. r1 l1 is cancel, pi is cancel and 1 upon 4 that is equal to ratio is equal to 1:4 answer. Thank you.